Hello. I just wanted to post a video on how to get rid of hiccups. I've got hiccups now. This is a bit of an impromptu video because I know it can be really annoying if you get hiccups. And when I get hiccups, I tend to get them really bad, and they get really kind of like chickeny. You know, it sounds like a chicken clucking or something. So, as you can hear, I'm doing this hiccuping completely involuntarily. So, I wanted to post a video for anybody who would like to know how to get rid of them. So, what you will need is a drink of water. And all you need to do is very simple. You just need to drink the water in one go without hesitating, and breathe gently whilst you're drinking. Glug, 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 very gently down. And then when you get to the bottom of the drink, nice deep breath in, breathe out, and just let it flow naturally. And by that time, the hiccups will have gone. Actually, I kind of feel like mine have passed now. They have, just by being calm. But that's what you do, and I'm going to show you anyway, because mine have passed just by calming myself down. Because when you get hiccups, you get kind of a bit hyper and crazy. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate how to drink that water anyway, assuming that I still had hiccups. But as you can see, just this simple calming effect has done it. So I'm going to show you anyway, okay? I haven't drunk the whole bottle, because obviously the hiccups have passed now. But if you did have bad hiccups still, then just continue the whole glass or bottle or whatever it is that you have. When you get to the end, just a nice gentle breath, blow it away, and the hiccups will be gone. Okay, bye then.